Dear children, today we are going to start a new topic. But before starting, I would like to ask some questions from you. Tell me, where is the monkey in this picture? Where is the bird? Where is the snake? And where is this cat? Don't worry, dear children. You will get all the answers after some time. Today our topic is prepositions. On, in, under, behind. On, in, under, behind. All these words are prepositions. Now, what are prepositions? Prepositions are words that tell you where something is positioned or located. Prepositions वो words होते हैं students जो आपको बताते हैं कि कोई चीज कहाँ पर है. Right? So let's see the examples once again. Where is the monkey? The monkey is in the box. Right? The monkey is in the box. Where is the bird? The bird is on the tree. Where is the snake? The snake is under the rock. Where is the cat? The cat is behind the box. On, in, under, behind. All these are prepositions. And prepositions are words that tell you where something is positioned or located.